My name is Matt Payne, and I am the co-founder and co-CEO of Prairie Surf Media. We are a 5-soundstage production facility located in downtown Oklahoma City. It's an exciting time in Oklahoma film. We were part of the initiative to pass Senate Bill 608, which raised the cap from an $8 million cap to a $30 million cap. The goal was to bring big Hollywood productions here to Oklahoma. It creates thousands of jobs. What excites me most about the Drone Festival is it's such a cool, exciting visual medium, and the idea that there's a competition around one particular piece of technology, I think, is niche and cool. And when you suddenly put that up in the sky and you add a ton of movement and music and emotion to it, it's a fun thing to be part of, and I hope to see the festival grow.
And that was the really cool thing about judging the Thunderbird Drone Festival last year, was that you saw just a beautiful tapestry of varied art form within a camera that's like a couple hundred feet in the air. I'm excited to be a part of the Thunderbird Drone Festival because there's nothing like it in this region. It's a one-of-a-kind drone festival for Oklahoma and for the area around us.
One of the most exciting things about the festival you guys are doing, most of the events that in the industry that we attend are industry-focused events. There's not a lot of public-facing events out there, especially when it comes to drones and unmanned aerial systems, and also to impact the rural communities.
My first experience with drones was actually piloting the Raven, which is a small drone that the Marine Corps and Army have used. And in the film industry, I think we've all seen in the last decade and a half, the drones have really kind of found their own spot and are no longer a gimmick used for certain scenes, but are actually a viable camera skill set. As far as this festival goes, it's extremely excited to be yet again kind of finding myself in a place to push forward the Oklahoma film industry. I think that the drone festival itself is a great way to continue to move forward drone applications in film and television.
Oklahoma's on the forefront to the workforce development and education of students in our STEM programs here in Oklahoma. Aviation and aerospace in Oklahoma is a $44 billion industry. It's second only to natural gas and oil. The expansion of UAS into those fields is going to be very significant with both military, education, research, as well as individual companies getting into the UAS fields with the advancements in advanced air mobility, as well as small UAS operations and counter UAS operations, and those industries coming to Oklahoma will have a significant impact on that economic future.
It's not only a unique film festival to Oklahoma, but this whole region of the country, welcoming visitors locally, but also internationally to our film-friendly community of Woodward. So we're just really excited about what it's bringing to the state, to the city, and really showcasing the film industry as real jobs, real technologies.
The biggest people in the industry are filming in Oklahoma. This is the most exciting time in the Oklahoma film industry. And so the Thunderbird Drone Festival is an indication that there is great stuff happening in Oklahoma film all over the place. And I love that you are in Woodward, not just because I love Woodward personally, but because I think it's important for people to realize that the film industry is going all over the state. Killers of the Flower Moon was made in eastern Oklahoma, in rural Oklahoma, in a place just like Woodward, and so for me, the fact that you're based in Woodward shows that if you build it, they will come. And I think the success of the Oklahoma film industry is fueling a lot of exciting ideas, but it takes people making those decisions like you all have made with Thunderbird to really make it happen. Get your tickets now at ThunderbirdDroneFestival.com.
We can't wait to see you at Thunderbird Drone Festival, August 12th and 13th in Woodward, Oklahoma.